In a small village lived a boy named Mohan. He had a loving family of 5, his father, mother, older brother, Mohan, and his little sister Radha. Life was hard, but the family stayed strong. One day, Mohan's father became very sick. He grew weak, and no one knew why. The family tried everything, but nothing helped. They were already poor, and with their father sick, there was no money at all. Hunger grew, and fear filled their home. Every night, the children saw their mother cry, unsure how to feed them or help her husband. Mohan looked at his family, his father weak on the cot, his mother wiping her tears, and his brother and little Radha crying in the corner. Something changed inside him. Mohan took a deep breath and said to himself, "Enough. I can't let my family suffer anymore." With determination, Mohan decided to leave the village and go to the city to earn money. When Mohan left the house, he promised,
"I will help my family."
With a small potly and a brave heart, he began his journey. Mohan boarded the bus, holding his potly tight. As it moved, he looked at his village one last time. And he whispered,
"Someday I will return stronger."
After a long ride, Mohan reached the noisy, crowded city of Bombay. It was nothing like his village. Still, he held his potly tight and began looking for work. Tired after many hours, Mohan found a small tea stall. He asked the old man there,
"Kaka, I need work."
The old man looked at Mohan, dusty, tired, but honest and brave. The old tea seller said,
"Beta, you look like a good boy. I don't have work, but I know a place that does. Shankar Cycle Works needs a helper. Tell them I sent you. Maybe today is your lucky day."
Mohan reached Shankar Cycle Works, nervous but hopeful. He went inside and said,
"Kaka, I need work. The tea seller sent me. Do you still need a helper, boy?"
The shop owner looked at Mohan's dusty clothes and tired eyes. He asked,
"Have you worked before?"
"No, Kaka, I came from my village today. This is my first job."
The owner paused, then smiled gently. The owner said,
"You can start today. Just help with cleaning and repairs."
Mohan felt relieved. Mohan worked all day at the cycle shop, cleaning, carrying tools, and learning repairs. He was tired, but he felt strong. That evening, he ate dal, roti, and rice with other boys. For the first time since leaving his village, he didn't feel alone. Arjun, a boy Mohan's age, smiled at him. Mohan asked,
"Do you have a pen or paper? I want to write to my family."
Arjun took out a small pencil and paper. He said,
"Here, write your letter."
Mohan held the paper gently, thinking of his mother, his sick father, and little Radha. He sat in a quiet corner under a dim lantern. With shaky hands, he began writing his first letter, full of love and hope. "Mother, I reached Bombay safely. I got a job at a cycle shop and earned 10 rupees a day. I will send money home soon. I have a safe place to sleep, so don't worry." Mohan folded his letter and walked outside. He found a small letter box and gently put the letter in. He whispered,
"AI will know I'm safe."
Thinking of his mother's smile, he went back to the cycle shop with a lighter heart. Mohan was worried, no letter had come from home. He told Arjun,
"I wrote to Ma 3 months ago.
Mohan, don't worry, letters take 6 months to reach.
I wish I could talk to Ma."
The thought gave him strength to keep working. Mohan had grown into a strong, capable man. Years of hard work changed him from a worried village boy into a successful businessman. He now owned his own busy cycle shop in Bombay, filled with customers. The hard days were now behind Mohan, and communication had become easier. He could talk to his mother every day from the local PCO. The distance that once felt so big now felt smaller. Just as Mohan's life changed with every step he took. From a scared village boy to a confident, successful man. Communication around him changed too. Letters turned into phone calls. Phone calls became landlines. And landlines became smartphones. Mohan's journey showed one simple truth. Nothing stays the same. Everything must grow, adapt, and move forward. That is how progress works. Stories evolve. People evolve. And technology must evolve too. At Cogentix Systems, we carry that same spirit of transformation. Just as Mohan rebuilt his life with courage and determination, we help businesses modernize and rise to the future. Transforming Progress and QAD with .NET, Java, React, AI, and DevOps.